Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the channel, and in today's Moho tutorial I will walk you through how to rig a plane animation from start to finish. We'll cover how to make the plane take off, turn mid-air, and add smart bond to control the landing gear. I will also show you how to import SVG files direct from Inkscape so that you can work on Moho. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to save your Inkscape artwork as an SVG file. So I'm saving mine to the desktop and give it a clear name. For example, mine, I will just write a plane. Next, open Moho and go to File, Import, SVG file, and select your saved SVG. Now, if you run into the same issue like I did here, where some lines appear jumble or vertices are misaligned after import, you will need to manually adjust the vector points. This happens sometimes due to how Inkscape, structure the path. Just use the transform points and select shape tools in Moho to clean things up before rigging. So I'm going to fast forward this because these things you already know. If you have watched my other tutorial uh, so far, you would have known how to adjust these points. So I'm going to fast forward this and then we can go to do the rigging.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness.
Okay, now group with selection, right click, convert to bond. Then we can go on and add bonds. Start by adding a pin bond outside the plane. This will act as a control anchor. Next, create a main bond for the plane's body, followed by a separate bond for the wing. Use flexi binding to bind the plane's body to its bond. So this is allowing for smooth deformation. Then switch to point binding for the wing to keep its movement precise and isolated. Once you're happy with the setup, just run a test. And if you're happy, now it's time to import the image you want to use for the plane turning motion. We're gonna add new bonds specifically for this rotation. Don't parent this bond to any other bond. And if needed, you can reduce the strength to 0 for more control. Then finally convert this bond into a smart bond and give it a clear name like a rotation to keep your rig organized. So you can see when we move the cursor to frame 100, you can see that the smart bond also rotate or turning to 90 degrees, as you can see from there. Okay, so when we are in frame 100, now it is time to use the magic tools. You can use magic tool or you can use the transformation tools. Sometimes using magic tool is much more quicker if you have to move a lot of vertices or a lot of points like this plane has. So as you can see, I'm using the magic tools, but I will still need to use transformation tools for more control. and also to make this image stand out or same like the original image here. Again, I'm gonna fast forward this so that we can start rigging, because at the moment I'm just going to play around with these points and to make sure that this image matches the original image. So let me fast forward this and then we can start rigging. Okay, now I'm happy with the rigging and I'm gonna do a quick test for this plane. So rotate the smart bone. I can see the landing gears or the wheels are separate with the plane body. So I will need to adjust the layer to make sure that when the smart bone turns, then these landing gears or the wheels are following the body. So now we are okay here. So next, we will add a smart bone to control the landing gear animation during flight. This bone will allow us to retract the wheels smoothly once the plane is airborne. So create a new bone and position it where it makes sense for your rig, typically near the landing gear or in any natural control area. So convert it into a smart bone and name it something like maybe gear or gear retract, anything you can rename this. So this will help you remember which bone you are working with. Inside the smart bone action, animate the landing gear now moving inward or disappearing. So depending on your design, this gives you like a full control over the gear or full visibility control during flight sequences. And with that, the rigging process is officially complete. If you have stayed with me this far and haven't subscribed yet, now it is the perfect time to hit that button and join the community. The rigged plane is available for purchase. Just click the link in the description box below. It will take you straight to the store and you will receive your character or any other things instantly after the checkout. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.